know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid.
Welcome back to a new video. This week we're gonna prep for Milan and Paris Fashion Week. I feel years ago when I was still doing the shows, I feel like the prep would look so differently. I think I've actually made some old videos about that, like 24 hours before my shoot and things like that. Like we would be training like crazy. Fashion Week was or Olympics, if that makes sense. Anyway, we're returning this year to do a collaboration with Miu Miu, with Soul Somebody, and with me, and with Nekohama. So that is going to be so cool. Sharing more about like morning rituals and morning routines and things like that. I looked on YouTube yesterday, and one of my earliest videos, it was a morning routine, was 6 years ago. And so many of you have been there from the beginning, which is just truly crazy. Like, I feel we kind of grew up together there. But yeah, the preparations now look a little different. I have a stylist coming this week. We're gonna get some looks prepped, so I don't need to worry about that there. Sometimes it just stresses me out on like what to wear. So it will be really cool to kind of like elevate the style and like change it up a little bit. I feel the upcoming days are just really packed and just getting last things done. One thing I do always try to prioritize whenever it gets crazy or when I'm going on a trip is still getting some morning movement in and trying to stick to a workout routine, because I do know deep inside it makes me feel so much better. It makes me show up like a better human. I feel more energized. So we're gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna do a 35-minute full body strength workout with some weights, because I don't probably not get to work out a lot when I'm traveling. It will be probably more Pilates based workout, so I try to beforehand just do some more strength based. So yeah, we're gonna do a soul body workouts. I have a little energy, obviously my Nekohama matcha, and we're gonna go.
We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. We're on and on, guess I wanna know. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart, I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but, I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like.
Okay, I had no groceries in my fridge because I'm leaving, so I ordered a breakfast burrito from Erwan. Package time. Today is all about getting prepared. I got a really big package in from Sanne. This is a little box. I think this is an invitation. It is to their exhibition during Paris Fashion Week, and I'm so excited to head back to Paris and also to see their show. That will be really fun. I have a big box right here. I thought it would be fun to unbox together. So I ordered the new Sean briefcase bag. Look how pretty. I have a lot of black and dark bags, and I wanted something more neutral and more like a light color and something really lightweight and durable. Sanne has incredible bags that are made with super premium materials and have amazing details. The inside compartments make it also very easy to organize all my essentials. The bag is made from special material that is water resistant, TPU, and cowhide leather that is known for its durability, resistance, and recyclability. So you can see here the leather, and like it has a little golden clasp, which I really love. You guys know I'm like such a golden girl. Honestly, you can style this so many different ways, but like at leisure wear, if I'm gonna go to the office, or like when I go for a workout class, or when I'm going to a business meeting, or when I'm running around and just like doing errands. Like I feel this bag is so easy to wear and so versatile. It also comes with 3 straps in the package, so you can wear it over your shoulder as a normal briefcase and even as a backpack, which is amazing if you're in the city and just need to commute a lot or something. But yeah, I love it. It even has a strap on the back so I can put it on my suitcase. It would be a great travel bag. It actually also has a smaller version. I believe this one fits my laptop, so I can kind of switch it up a little bit. Love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna link it down below. You can check it out. They actually have so many different beautiful styles on their website as well. And yeah, the quality it's a super high quality bag. So cute. Okay, we're gonna get ready soon and yeah, get the day going. Fashion week, we're ready for you. So all of you wanted to see when we do a little style out before we get packing. So Julia just got here. She's unpacking the clothing and jewelry and things, all of that upstairs. Ta-da! I think I need to purchase one of these racks for here or two. It just doesn't fit my stuff. My closet is full.
Oh, I know. You guys need more closet space.
I know. It's just weird.
I know.
I peeked already at the jewelry station.
I mean, this necklace is like so epic on. I sent it to Karen. She's like, I'm obsessed. She's like, can you find one for me?
I've been such a gold girl for so many years.
Yeah.
But the silver is really growing on me. Okay, so this is the necklace. Yeah, this is like something that I would never like buy myself, but then when I see it now, I'm like, wait, this is so cool.
I have so many ideas for it.
Well, that's why. That's why you're here. I'm helping out. So I'm really excited. I think we're gonna get some great looks. Also, I realized like this weekend I was like, I really don't feel as stressed going to the trip, and I'm like, I think it's because I don't have to think about what I'm like actually bringing for looks. And I was like, yeah, that caused a lot of stress in the past.
That's why I'm here. You just pass it to me. I'm like out there shopping and I'm like telling everyone, I'm like, it's a fashion week. It's coming up.
Okay. I'll show you. Fitting for like 2 or 3 hours and it's been really fun. I feel like I put looks on that I normally wouldn't put together myself, but I do feel really good in, like for example wearing like chunky big jewelry. Like I feel like you guys never see me wearing this, but I do really love it, and it's like fun to kind of challenge yourself a little bit, to kind of step up outside of your comfort zone and like wearing different things, but obviously still feeling like me. So I am obviously not going to show all the looks, but we'll show them during like Paris and Milan. I love these. What is this brand?
That's vintage.
Oh, this is vintage.
It's a vintage one, yeah.
This is a vintage one. I'm sorry. You can get it.
The earrings are Rachel Comey.
Okay, Rachel Comey earrings. Okay, I'm gonna run some errands quickly. I'm gonna grab my bag. This is a little look of today, so easy. I am actually gonna go grab a little coffee because I just feel I want to get outside for a second, and then I'm gonna go to Sephora to grab some stuff before my trip because there's no travel happening before a little Sephora trip, I feel. So let's get my sunnies on. These from the brand Vloet. They're like kind of retro looking. I like really like them. This top is from Iris and Orson. I think that's how I pronounce it. And these jeans are actually from Zara. Full look. Let's go. iced cappuccino with almond milk. I kind of go in between almond milk and sometimes I go for coconut milk if I've already had almond milk throughout the day. But it's good. Alrighty, let's go. Sephora it is.
Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', a GDM in, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it.
Okay, let me share some of the goodies that I got. The one thing that I went in for was to get mini shampoos and conditioners, and that's the only thing I did not get, so that's great. I got this one, the Pharmacy Green Clean Balm. I use this as a makeup remover. It's like a balm and it is truly the best. Amazing ingredients, vegan, paraben free, all of that, and it takes off your makeup like no other. Like, I love this stuff. Little hand spray, definitely need that for traveling. I like how flat this is. Should use one right now. And then I got a little Gizu hair oil. I love this hair oil to put like at the ends, but I only have a really big bottle, which is not ideal for travel at home. And then I got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I've been using this forever on my lips. And then I got Summer Fridays lip balm. Just put this combo on. This has been my go-to lip liner for so long. And then put a little gloss on it. I love this combo so much. Okay, what else do we got in here? I got a couple other products. A new hyaluronic serum, which I'm a little scared to try out because, especially before I do events and stuff, I don't like trying out new skincare products because I never know how my skin is going to react. I also got a new concealer brush from Hourglass and a new concealer from Armani. So those were my purchases. Oops, I'm gonna bring 2 packages back to UPS. Kind of like running a little errands today. Let's do that.
And that was it for you?
Yeah, that was it.
There you go. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Okay, this is the look. These sunglasses just make everything look good, honestly. So mother denim shirt, pretty easy. I think this is like a Zara top, and this belt is from Kate. Definitely an investment piece, but I love investing in a good belt. I just think it really elevates just a look. And then this long Zara jean. I mean, look how long these are. They touch the ground. I know it can be really hard if you're tall as me. I'm like 180. That is like 5'11", and I have really long legs, as you might have noticed. And it's really hard to find jeans that are really long. And yeah, Zara just came with one that reaches the ground, which is insane. So yeah, let's go. Let's go out. I'm all in. Camera eats first. But it's actually a good thing for them. This is a vegan coconut, whatever. Alright, I'm all packed up. It is like 7:30 a.m. right now. Just taking a little moment. A little sunshine. I am feeling good. Like I feel I was a little bit in a funk like last week that I'm even shared, and now I am excited to be going to Europe and to spend some time there. Yeah, open for some new adventures. I feel like when I'm at home in LA, I'm just so like introverted in my own little world. But as soon as I go out, like the extroverted me comes out. We'll see how that is gonna go. I would go a little tired. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the preparations. Yesterday I was even thinking, I was like, wow, there is so much that goes into like events and appearances and things like that. I just want you to know that, you know, whatever you see online and it looks so effortless, often doesn't. Like a lot of people put so much work and time into it to, you know, it truly takes a village. And I also tell this to myself because sometimes, you know, you can compare yourself with others online. There's a lot that goes into it. I hope to see you next week from Milan. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you will get a notification when a new video is posted, because truly all your support is always so appreciated, and